Hello friends, now in this video we will see how we can add a like button on our Blogger blog article. After adding the like button, it will appear in this form. So if anyone clicks on like, it will also ask the viewers to share the article if they liked on Facebook, Twitter and other social media platforms as shown in this picture. But before proceeding to this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I am available on Instagram as the Silly Social Media. So let's start this video. Now we are on the home page of this website. I have provided a link for this website in the video description below. Go on to it and you can get all the codes you require to add a like button on your blog. This is the website. Now this is my blog and this is one of my blog article. Now I will check out if I have any like button on my blog article. So as you can see, there is no any like button visible on my blog article, even when I have scrolled down all of my blog article. The one we are about to install the like button on our Blogger blog will appear over here, that is at the end of the article. Come on to this website. I have provided you the link of this website in the description below. This will appear in this way. So how you have to install is go on to your Blogger, click on themes, click on these three dots, click on edit HTML. Now here you have to search for this code. Click on this. Now click Ctrl Ctrl F, and now you can paste the code here in this way, and now hit enter. Again hit enter. So as you can see, these are the two options that have been provided. Just below this you have to copy the code, that is like button that will appear. We have to generate the code first. So for generating the code, come on to this website. This is the same website. Here we have to generate the code. Now here they provide with us with two options, that is a default option theme that is provided by add a like button, and the custom theme. Custom theme we have to choose, like say like icon. Here you can choose a different one. Here you can choose heart, or you can choose a different hand depending upon your choice. So for example, say right now I am selecting with this, and dislike icon I am selecting as hard. Now from here you can change color, any color of your choice. So for like, when someone likes this post, the blue color will appear in this way, and color after voting, this is for icon color, that is for the heart color. If someone dislikes, the heart will blink in this red color. Now scroll down a bit little, and this is the code generated after designing the like button for our website. You have to copy the code from here, copy to the clipboard. Copy. The code has been copied. Now you have to enter the code just below this, both the tags. I will enter and paste the code here, and now the second one is here. Hit enter and paste the code. Okay. Now you have to save this. The code has been updated successfully. So now I will go on to my article again. I will refresh my article to check out the like button is appearing on my article or not. As you can see, the like button has been appeared on my article. So it will look in this like it. If I hit like, then you can see blue color appears, and if I hit dislike, this heart will appear. But when someone hits on like, this add button also gives an option for our viewers or traffic to share this article on different social media platforms as shown in this picture, like Facebook, Twitter, Mail, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. So friends, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel if you like my video.